My name is Kevin Buck. I am a chef de partie at the Greenhouse restaurant in London, and I graduated the postgrad Italian program. I hear Chef Tomaselli's voice, I hear Chef Trevor Ritchie's voice, Chef John Higgins, just the lessons I learned from them, just stay clean, stay organized, keep pushing, keep moving. It was the opportunity to get out of my comfort zone. I got to travel across the world in a place I didn't speak the language, and we had such a close team. We pushed each other every day, and we had a mutual respect for each other. Learning to grow within a team was a huge takeaway. The Bocuse d'Or is the most prestigious culinary competition in the world, and I had the great opportunity to help represent Canada. You're working side by side with cooks and chefs who've been there longer than you have. Networking is a huge part of this industry. Currently, I'm working at the 2 Michelin-starred Greenhouse restaurant in London, England. Typical day when I'm working in the kitchen, there is a bit of an adrenaline rush, which I do like, especially when service time hits, but there's also an internal calm as well, that I want to get it right, I want to get it perfect. It's the process, it's not even the recipe itself, it's the journey I took to get to where I am today.